weavers in Varanasi on the brink of starvation, but now at last there's some hope for them.
The Taj Hotel chain has taken action. They've employed the master craftsmen to create saris as uniforms for their staff. Shruta Deep reports.
Collective prayer in a city which has seen 70% of its looms shut down in the last few years. NDTV was the first television channel to report on the crisis being faced by Varanasi's handloom weavers amid the economic boom. This weaver consumed the acid that he had bought to give a luster to the silk yarn.
There is still no government policy in place which can bring them back from the edge. As Razia Bibi just told us, her husband sold his blood to bring some money into the house.
The tragedy of these families is indescribable, and it shows a failure of governance at all levels. Faulty government policies had pushed the weavers to hunger and death. An ancient craft faced extinction. We stayed with the story as insensitive state and central governments failed to come up with an adequate response. The Varanasi weavers' desperate poverty mirrors the plight of lakhs of handloom weavers across the country. After farming, weaving is the second most common occupation in the country. Moved by the story, a leading corporate group, Taj Luxury Hotels, has launched a unique initiative.
We saw this thing on NDTV about the Banaras weavers, the plight of the weavers in Banaras, and the Taj Group Hotels decided to do something to, uplift their bereavement, and they asked us if we could do something and how we could use their weaving techniques to be incorporated in this noble system where we could sustain their livelihood.
Fashion designer Jay Ram Rakhiani is using the magical weaves of Varanasi for uniforms across 10 Taj properties. The project has been started in the remote Sarai Mohanan village in Varanasi district. Not only are the weavers engaged to create saris, they are extended support in many other ways. Since there are frequent power cuts, solar lights have been installed to enable weavers to work for longer hours. Eye checkups have been organized and water pumps repaired. Taj has opened bank accounts for all these weavers individually to ensure prompt payments.
अभी तो खैर हम तो यही चाहेंगे कि जीवन भर यही काम चले तो अच्छा है, मतलब कि चलता रहे, जो अभी चल रहा है उसे चलता रहे, ताकि हम लोग को दिक्कत ना हो, भुखमरी का ये परेशानी ना झेलना पड़े बस.
Each weaver's family gets 1800 rupees for a sari, an amount nearly 400 rupees higher than what other traders pay them in a depressed market. To produce a sari within a week, a family puts in a 12-hour day.
3-4 लोग फंसे रहते हैं. एक जने भरती फेरती हैं, वो फेर रही हैं, एक जने फेरती हैं, तो एक आध दो आदमी इसमें बिनने में लगते हैं.
The assurance of continuous employment have brought the smiles back. Jamuna is one of the many poor weavers in this village who have incurred a debt. He is now hopeful of paying back the loan.
वो तो हमारे लिए भगवान उतर के आए हैं, होटल वाले हम लोग को बहुत सुविधा दे रहे हैं.
Other weavers in the village tell us they are eager to be included in the project.
हम ये वाला काम लगाना चाहते हैं, हम भी करना चाहते हैं. और आप? हम भी करेंगे.
The collection of rich hand-woven saris was unveiled in Mumbai on Baisakhi or spring to signify a fresh lease of life for the master weavers.
I think the saris are absolutely exquisite and they look fabulous.
Clearly, it's a win-win situation for both parties. A corporate initiative that is crying out to be replicated. With Yogesh Pawar in Mumbai, in Varanasi, Shruta Deep for NDTV.